Now, the WGAL News 8 Storm Team forecast with meteorologist Brian Argenti.
Strong winds for the entire Susquehanna Valley as we go through the rest of this evening. And then as we get into this weekend, seasonal temperatures are going to be on tap. And then getting into next week, spring-like temperatures will be with us the entire week, potentially challenging the high temperature on Wednesday to possibly 70 degrees, where we're approaching the upper 60s. But we are very windy across the area. Now, we zoomed in on the Harrisburg Skycam. You can see the American flag in the background there, really flapping in the wind there, and so it's going to continue being a windy day as we go through the rest of this evening. It's currently 38 in the capital. Feels like 26 though, with that northwesterly 30-mile-per-hour breeze. Ooh, man, hold on to your hats, folks. Storm Team Live Radar Network. We're seeing a little bit of some light snow up towards our northwesternmost community. So if you are northwest of Harrisburg at this time, we might see a little bit of light snow. But other than that, not very impactful. You might see a couple flurries here and there, blowing in the wind. But other than that, it shouldn't be a very active day in terms of the winds. We have very strong winds for this evening. We've made it an impact evening as well as an impact night as we go through the rest of this evening. 36 to 40 degrees, windy and cooler with wind chills into the lower 20s. And then same story for tonight. Impact night, partly cloudy conditions, windy with chills down into the lower 20s. When you have the air temperature and the winds factored in together, makes it feel like the lower 20s for tonight. Then getting into tomorrow, it'll be breezy and milder though. We'll be going right into the lower 50s, partly sunny with a spotty rain or snow shower late on Friday. I'll show you that here in the predictor coming up, with again winds gusting to potentially 35 miles per hour tomorrow. 40 now in the Red Rose City, 38 now in York, 39 in Gettysburg at this time. Sustained winds are kicking out of the northwest, so it makes it feel like more so the 20s out there, upper 20s in most spots, almost mid 20s in some other areas as well. So, and we're going to be continuing to feel these strong winds as we go through tomorrow afternoon as well, and even into the evening hours. We'll still be breezy getting into Saturday. So then, because of these winds, the National Weather Service has issued a wind advisory from 2 o'clock today, which is now until 4 a.m. Friday, as you go through the day on Friday as well. Storm Team Live Radar Network still quiet across the board, just seeing some overcast conditions for the majority of us. We're seeing a couple breaks in the clouds here towards Adams County, so you might see the sun peeking out of the cloud cover there if you are tuning in from right around the Gettysburg area. But we zoom out to see the entire region, and some of these clouds are from this parent low system that is now tracked towards the northeast. So we're really seeing some partly cloudy conditions that are going to be moving through as we get into Friday morning. Now ahead, going into Friday evening, we have the storm system that's going to move through on Saturday. Could spark an isolated shower, especially late Friday. As you can see, Susquehanna Valley seeing a little bit of a blotch of some rain there. So could see just a stray shower as we get into late Friday, especially into early Saturday as well. But getting into the rest of the day Saturday and into the rest of the weekend, high pressure starts to build in, starts to clear our skies as we get into the weekend. And it's going to be very seasonable as well. 46 degrees on Saturday, 48 on Sunday. We also spring forward 1 hour from Saturday into Sunday. So, and getting into next week, 54, milder on Monday, 64 on Tuesday, 68 on Wednesday, guys. Warm and breezy with another chance of showers next Thursday. Back to you.